Hello everyone, welcome to the part 3 of this CI/CD project. We have installed the Docker and we have installed the Jenkins. So here we will learn that how to install the SonarQube. To install the SonarQube, we will use the Docker container and we'll use the SonarQube container for our project. So let's see that how to install it. So here we will execute the command for creating the container. We'll use the docker run command, configure the container, and -d which will run this container in the detached mode, and port number I'm redirecting the port number to the 9000 port, and image name is SonarQube, and we will use the long-term support community version. Okay, so let's execute this command. It is done now. So if you execute the command docker ps-a, you can able to find out that our SonarQube container is running perfectly and it is up for 5 seconds. So here we need to configure a few things in this SonarQube. So let's see how to do this. So here in the port number 9000, this SonarQube is running. So let's open the IP address along with the port number 9000. So same IP address and port is different. Press enter. So you can find out that SonarQube is running here. So by default the username is admin and password is also admin, and press enter. Now enter your old password, that is admin, and you can use the password according to you, whatever password you want to save. Update here for 2 times, click on update. Now it is logged in now. So here we will create one token, okay, and we'll save this token. So on this administration, go to the administration page and click on this security, click on this user. So we will create a token from this option, and we require this token in our project. So create this token and copy and save it in a notepad. Enter your token name, any name you can use, and you can choose the expire date, 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, no expiration, whatever your requirement. Click on the generate button, and here we can find out that our token has been created. So just copy this, open the notepad and paste it here, okay, and click on the done button. Okay, so this is how we configure the SonarQube. Okay, later in the next episode we will see that how to install the plugins in the Jenkins. I guess maximum of you are aware about this. So those who are not aware how to install the plugins, I will discuss that how to install the plugins, from which option we can install it, and after installing we will configure the plugins for our pipelines. Okay, so see you in the next video, and if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.